Opens in small, four-walled bedroom with Gregor Samsa lying in a bed in a cockroach costume.
What has happened to me? I'm still in my room, but I no longer appear to be myself. I don't understand what has happened. I try to sleep this off. Maybe it's just a dream. This is all because of my job. That awful job. Far too much traveling and far too many hours. The people are always new and I never get to build any real relationship with anyone. If only I could work in head office, life would be so much easier. The other salesmen don't live like this. But then again, they do not have as strict as director as I. Hell, I'm only working here to pay off father and mother's debt. Another 5, maybe 6 more years and then I'll quit and tell him what I really think of it. That be the day. It doesn't matter. I better get up now and need to catch the 5 o'clock train. How could I have said through the obnoxious alarm clock? The next train is at 7. I have to hurry. The director is still going to reprimand me for being this late. But I have to go, no matter how sick I am.
You shouldn't be off to work by now, Gregor.
Gregor, what's wrong? You need to get up. Gregor, get up!
Gregor, are you okay? Would you like me to get you anything? Gregor, can you please open your door?
I must be sick. My voice seems to scare them. Never mind that. I need to get up and get some breakfast and figure out what to do. 7? It can already be that late. I have to get up now! It has to be someone from work looking into my absence.
I don't mean to alarm you, but I think something was falling in the room. Gregor, your office manager is here to talk to you.
I already know.
Gregor, the office manager would like to know why you weren't on the 5 o'clock train. If you could please open this door. We don't know what to tell him.
I hope your morning is well, Gregor.
You know, Gregor has never been here at work every day. But I'm sure you know that. He didn't, every minute he didn't spend, every minute thinking about work. I'm sure when you know that you are here, that you open the door now, he's not just himself again.
I believe you will come. I only hope it's not for you. Alam ko yung work ko. Even if you not make it to us.
Gregor?
Hold on.
Gregor, what is wrong with you? You have locked your door. Your family is in incredible worry and only respond to strange lateral noises. You are neglecting your duties at work and with your family. I must ask for an immediate explanation for your actions. I spoke to the director and have covered for you. This is uncalled for, and frankly, I can no longer cover for you. Your work has been unsatisfactory as late, Gregor, and you must show today. Open this door and explain yourself.
I'm coming. I had a rather difficult time getting out of bed and reaching the door. I had hoped to be feeling better and coming out soon. I felt fine for bed last night and woke up feeling terribly ill. I do not mean to take time off work. You know that's not like me. I have to catch the next train as soon as I'm able. I'm coming right away, Chief Clerk, I swear you.
Did a single one of you understand what he just said? Is this just a game to him?
Greta,
Yes, mother.
call the doctor right away. The girl must be seriously ill. Rigor!
Anna, go get the locksmith. You need to get this door open.
Rigor moves across the floor, using the chair to aid him. He finally reaches the door. And taps the covering. Struggles to turn the key to unlock the door with his flimsy legs. He then attempts to turn the key with his mouth with some success, however, injuring himself in the process.
You see that? I think it's unlocking the door.
Oh my gosh, Rigor!
Unbelievable! Not possible!
Now that I am up, I will get dressed, getting my things and head straight for the train. Do you see, Chief Clerk? I am going to work. I will not let my illness get the better of me. I am under a great debt of my parents to the director. I do not enjoy my present condition, but I will not let it get the best of me. As to your claims that my work is lack of place, they simply are not true, and I think you know it is. It is only people in head office who do not see my real work, entitled as director to remain on his good side. Can I ask for your backing in defense against this claim? Do not leave without me, Chief Clerk!
God, please help me. What has happened? Why? Rigor! Oh my God!
Back to you,
Don't
monster.
bother! Please! Don't bother!